Hey everyone, today we are going to go ahead and update your POS. So the first things first, go ahead and if you're not already at the home screen, click that square, delete everything out or swipe up, and then go back to the home screen. To do this, we're going to use Chrome. So if you don't see it on your home page, scroll to the right, and then it should be over here if it's not already on the first. You'll see it like a little Google toolbox. But ours is right here, so we're gonna click into Chrome. And as you can see, I've already downloaded it, but I'll show you guys again. The URL I will send, and it's gonna be a tiny URL, tinyurl.com/LiquorBee POS 12/24/2025. And then it's gonna come up like this. It'll say no preview available. Go ahead and click download. Download anyway, download again, and then it's going to start to download. Since I've already downloaded it, I'll come over here. You would click details. It's going to take you to this screen where it's going to download. I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to click here. It's going to say LiquorBee POS. Do you want to update this app? Click update. Let this install and open, and it's good to go. And just like that, you've updated to the latest and greatest. Be on the lookout for Luke and Will to reach out to you guys on all the bells and whistles. But yeah, we think you guys are really going to enjoy it. And if you have any issues with updating, don't be afraid to reach out. All right, thanks.